Hi everyone, Ryan here, Ion Capital Solutions. Hope you're doing well. So, you're here because you need help, but you're not sure if you need a mentor or a coach, right? Well, there are those that will have you believe that you have to actually make that choice. But do you really need to choose between the two? And wouldn't it be great if you had the best of both worlds? Well, let's talk about it. Okay, so a mentor or a coach, right? What kind of help do you need? Well, let's analyze for a second. When we think coaching, right, we think team, right? And so we assume, okay, we're looking to set out on our journey, but we need guidance, we need help, we need somebody to kind of coach us along as we go throughout our journey, right? And we all attribute this to when we were kids and we would join a sports team, right? Kind of thing. But perhaps you feel that you're not going to get the attention that you need, right? You don't really care about the rest of the class. It's about you, or the rest of the team, rather. It's about you, right? And you want to get that more one-on-one support you're looking for and somebody who's been there before to kind of guide you through the process so you can get those same results. Well, the reality is you don't actually have to choose. You see, here at Ion, we provide both options to you. You have coaching in group sessions, in one-on-one sessions. We support you in learning how to be a loan broker, all the systems and tools that you'll need to utilize, how to generate leads for yourself for free, all of these bells and whistles, and you can take a look at our other videos and see what we're all about. But the point is, there's all these different aspects of being a loan broker. And there's a lot of different roads you could head down. But here at Ion, we can streamline that process. It's a path forward because we offer all of it. You're getting the one-on-one support, not just in learning how to be a loan broker, but with working with your clients on deals. We literally have a mentor that we pair you with that works with you on your deals. You're also getting coaching and support in how to operate and function as a broker and with a brokerage. So you're really getting the best of both worlds, and it's all about being part of a team. And that's really the point I want to make clear to anybody watching this video. If you're looking for help and you're considering a coach or a mentor, it means you need to be part of a team. You are not yet ready to function on your own. Here at Ion, we can provide that for you. Okay? Plug into an active system. If you have your brand, that's okay. You can partner alongside another brand, but you need to be part of an active, successful machine. Learn how it operates, copy how it works so that you can get those same results. Not try and just build your own and go through trial and error. It's very expensive. Okay, but here at Ion, we can offer you the support you need, the coaching you need, the mentoring you need, the whole thing. All right. Anyway, quick video for everybody on a Friday. But thanks so much for your time. Good luck to you in your brokering journey. You all have a nice weekend. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.